Welcome back to another episode of Derivatives Examples, where I basically run through examples of derivatives. I have 3 that I run through each episode. This is my second episode, and in each video they will get increasingly harder. So if these are too easy for you, but you still struggle with derivatives, you don't have to watch this one. You can if you want, but you can watch later ones because I will post them up and they will be numbered. And there you go. These are the 3 that I'll be focusing on this episode. So example 1, we have y equals sine 2x. Example 2, we have y equals x squared plus ln x. And example 3, we have y equals bracket x to the power of 3 plus 7 bracket to the power of 4. Okay. Start with example 1. We got y equals sine 2x. Now this uses the chain rule, where you find the derivative of the outermost function and keep the inside function the same, and then multiply it by the derivative of the inside function. And that's what we'll be doing. Derivative. First, we find the derivative of the outside function, which is just sine. Derivative of sine is cosine. We keep the inside the same, and then we multiply it by the derivative of the inside. The derivative of 2x is just 2. So that's what we write. Simplify it, or rearrange it, and we get 2 cos 2x. Example 2. We have y equals x to the power of 2 plus ln x. This, we don't use the chain rule or any real technique except the power rule and the rule for deriving ln x, which is, I'll just do it. Derivative of y. Focus on the first half, which is x squared. The derivative of x squared is 2x plus, focus on the second half, ln x. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Should be in the back of just about every math book there is. I will do a video proving why that is in the future, but that's just what happens. Ln x becomes 1 over x. Anyway, we don't really need to simplify that at all. That's as simplified as it'll get. And now I'll do a third example. Here we have y equals x to the power of 3 plus 7 all to the power of 4. We need the chain rule to solve this, so we focus on deriving the outside and leaving the inside the same, and then multiplying it by the derivative of the inside. Derivative of the outside, bring the 4 down, multiply it, keeping the inside the same, and taking 1 off the power, and then multiplying that all by the derivative of the inside. If x to the power of 3 plus 7, the derivative is 3x to the power of 2. Simplifying it, we can multiply the 3x squared onto the 4 at the front, and we'll end up with 12x squared bracket x to the power of 3 plus 7 all to the power of 3. And those there are the 3 examples and how to do them. If you don't understand how to do these at all, or how to do derivatives, I do have a playlist on learning derivatives. If you do struggle, it goes through just about every type of derivative, or the main derivatives you'll come across anyway. But on that note, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.